Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable video autoplay in Facebook. So if you want videos to automatically play when you're hovering over or scrolling down, maybe you don't. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make those adjustments. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and select your profile icon in the top right, left click on it. And then you want to select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. On the left side, you want to go underneath Preferences and select where it says Accessibility. Underneath Accessibility, Video and Motion, go ahead and select the View button. Autoplay Videos, go ahead and select whatever is in here. So if it's currently on, that means autoplay is enabled. If you want to turn that off, click inside of here, select Off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.